In 1900, in Fajardo, on the beautiful Puerto Rico, the Escuela Normal Industrial was established as the first higher education center on the island. Its initial enrollment was 20 students and had 5 professors. The following year, it was moved to Rio Piedras, part of the island's capital, San Juan. On March 1903, U.S. Congress authorized funding for what would be known as the University of Puerto Rico, and on that day, the Escuela Normal was proclaimed as its first department. Today, the University of Puerto Rico is the main public university system and a government-owned corporation of Puerto Rico. It is the largest Spanish-language institution consisting of 11 campuses, approximately 58,000 students, and 5,300 faculty members, becoming the largest and most diverse academic institution in Puerto Rico, with 472 academic programs, which 32 lead to the doctorate. Throughout its history, the UPR has been Puerto Rico's most successful social leveling project and has contributed to the local economy in crucial ways.
For the past few years, the most important university of the island has been at great risk.
The Puerto Rico government has not been efficient managing the island's budget for more than 50 years. But Puerto Rico government has created a fiscal plan that stimulates how money will be handled for each essential services. This includes the health, education, and safety services. In the case of education, it is proposed how funds of the University of Puerto Rico will be handled. In order to deal with the economic crisis and the demands of the Fiscal Oversight Board, the University of Puerto Rico will not only increase its enrollment during the next academic year, but will also eliminate a large part of the exemptions granted to the students and will significantly reduce the employer's contribution they make to the workers' health plan. The measures are included in the revised fiscal plan of the governing board of the UPR to comply with the debt that are $451 million less from the budget of the University of Puerto Rico.
According to the chairman of the board, Walter Aromar, the measure with the greatest economic impact that will be made in the next fiscal year, 2019-2020, will be the monthly cut of the employer's contribution to the medical plan, which will register a decrease from $598 to $350. This will cause a saving of $27.8 million. Alomar said, "We understand that we can have a good plan with good coverage for a service payment of $350. This is not true. This is unfair. For the moment in which we are living, with the economic crisis that the country is experiencing, it is not fair that they continue to decrease the things that are vital, but the salaries are of the same amount."
Nevertheless, the students of the UPR will have their enrollment of undergrad students increased from 115 to 124, and the exception will be eliminated. With these changes, there will be a saving of $6 million, but in general, the officials deny that the students are the most impacted with these cuts. Alomar said that the impact of the student is one, but do not depend 100% of the plan and adjustment that the university is making. This administration will not play with the student pocket.
We, as a student, not only believe that the measure imposed on us harm our economy, but also affect negatively our studies. We generate $1.56 of economic activity for every dollar invested in the institution each year. We provide $100 million annually of direct government income through taxes, generating a total of $268 million a year. It is mathematically impossible for a low-income student to study in the University of Puerto Rico, the only public university in the island. The university was created for the people and by the people, and today everything changes. Even when we receive federal grant, we will not have anything left over to live, a sad reality. We need our public university, And if we join forces together, we can change the course of the most important university in the Caribbean.